How to change button cover on Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on the option for website, which is going to load up my Squarespace website. Now from this page, we want to choose edit and then choose the top brush tool here for site styles. Now this will open up this menu and we can choose the option for colors and we can edit the palette here. Now choose the color which you would like to make your button. As you can see, by dragging the slider around, we can completely change the color of our button. For example, if we want to make it green, I will just drag it all the way here, and as you can see, it changes color. That's how you change button color on your Squarespace website. Save your changes and you will be good to go. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.